Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a very simple video. I just wanted to show you another way you might see this code right here. So right now we have this return, which is going to prevent these lines of code from executing. But anytime you are breaking out of something early, you can often see it replaced with an else clause. So here's what that might look like. You might say else, and then indent both of these lines here. And now we could get rid of this return, because it's impossible for both this and this to execute. So running this, we get the same exact output. So which one should you do? My personal preference is to use the return, because I don't really like indenting and making more complicated code when I don't have to. I consider indents to kind of be like an extra layer, and the less layers, the better. I like to keep everything in line and avoid else's whenever possible. So that's just one option, but I think ideally, we're going to return to what we had. Pun master. All right, there you go, guys. So right now, this return is just exiting the function, but we can actually use a return for something else that's quite magical, and that is to give output. So right now, we are taking input. We have this name, but how do we give something back to the caller? That's what we're going to talk about next.